Hey guys, I'm Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Trendsend box and I'm really excited to try it all on for you. We're going to get started today. You're going to see it up in the corner, the try on, and I'll discuss each piece as I'm trying it on. So I want to start out today with, I had requested some mother denim and I was really excited to see that they sent two actual pair of mother denim. The first ones are going to be the Tomcat Swisher Sneak Fray. And this is in the wash Poppin' Wheelies in a size 24. And these are a retail price of $2.78. I know that's pretty high, but you know, good denim anymore. That's what you're going to pay. So unfortunately, that's the way it is. But I do really like these. Anyway, so these are the sneaker fray, and they have a really nice wide leg with a frayed bottom. They're very long, by the way. These are like a 34-inch inseam. They are really cute. I love the weight of them. They have a nice, I mean, you can tell that they're premium denim for sure. The back is really cute. These do have a button fly, by the way, which I actually like button flies. And they're like a wide leg, very wide leg, all the way down. And I think they're really adorable. I'm gonna check and see if they might offer these in a petite, and then if they do, I would definitely get them. But right now they're just too long. So I don't know. What do you guys think? If I wore them with a really tall heel, I guess I could possibly do it, but I'd like something that was a little bit more doable for my height. So I could cut them off. I don't know. I'm really scared to do that with premium denim, but I don't know. What have you guys ever done that? Let me know. And then the next item. When I tried these on, I didn't try it on with anything that was already in the box. So I just put on like a blazer and stuff that I already had. So that was the first item that we tried on. Next item was the second pair of mother denim. And this one is called the Kick It Ankle Straight Jean. And this is in Birds Gone Wild color in the size 24 again, and also $278. So I think that's kind of the going rate here. These are really cute as well. These are like an ankle length, or they're supposed to be an ankle length. They weren't on me. I did have to roll them up. They do have like an like a, what am I trying to say? Not a destroyed bottom. So just a normal bottom. But in the try on, you'll notice I had them cuffed once. And I'm not sure that I really want to have to do that. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think that looked okay or not? If they don't have these in petite, I don't know. I'm considering maybe keeping them anyway. I don't know. I'm not sure what to do. I could cut them, but I just hate cutting like super expensive denim. Just, I don't know. So that was the second pair of jeans. And then I tried that on with a really cute sweatshirt. This is by Evereve. And this is a size small, and they call this the Tucker Twofer sweatshirt in a size small. And that is $94. So this had like, I mean, it's cute. It's a cropped sweatshirt. It has like an opening, well, like a cut on the side that shows like a, I guess, the sleeve of what would be like a button down shirt. I guess that's the twofer. You're getting two shirts in one, but it's just in the sleeve area. So there's nothing on the inside other than, you know, just your normal sweatshirt material. So it just is the sleeve that's showing it as like a twofer. I'm not sure about it, honestly. Like I don't know. What do you guys think about that? I'm not completely, I don't think I like it, honestly. I don't know if I would wear it. So tell me what you guys think on that one, and we'll go to the next outfit. Okay, next outfit. I kept on the same mother jeans that I had on before. And then we have the Scout Soft Utility Jacket in wax yellow. I don't know about that color. Size small. This is by Evereve, and it's for $168. And let me show you this one. My hair off of it. So this is it is a really cute jacket. So you could wear this as a top, all buttoned up, which I should try that. I didn't do that, but or you can wear it open like I did as a jacket. Lightweight cotton linen blend. It's really cute. I really do like this a lot. I don't know so much about $168, but I do really like it. I was looking to see if it had like, so yes, it's 58% linen, 40% lyocell, and 2% spandex. So there's a little bit of stretch in this as well. But it is really, really cute. I do like this, and I actually would consider keeping this one. And then underneath that was the Z Supply Salty sweatshirt. And they have this down as they call it the Salty Boyfriend sweatshirt in the color Sea Salt. It's an extra small by Z Supply, and it's $84. And if you've ever had a Z Supply sweatshirt, you know they are just super comfortable. They're very roomy. I would call this very oversized. For an extra small, I thought it fit, quite truthfully, more like a medium. So you can size down in this if, you know, depending on how you want to wear it. But it does have like the yellow stitching on the Salty, which ties back into that yellow coat. So it's really cute. I do like this. This is comfy. You can't really go wrong with a Z Supply Boyfriend sweatshirt. And then the next item I tried on was this Tibi. Let me find it here. What's it called? Tibi Tank in black. Now I did try this on with my own pair of black slacks, and another item I got from Evereve, actually. It's a blazer with a zip out dicky. So you can wear it just as a regular blazer, or you can make it look like you've got like a sweatshirt basically on under it. So it's really cute. I really like this a lot. I had gotten this in a previous box. This wasn't in this box, but I thought it would look really cute with it. But the Tibi mesh tank is really, really comfortable. I highly recommend this one. I like this a lot. I'm probably going to keep this for sure. It is kind of like see-through because it's like a mesh material. I don't know if it's mesh material, but it has a mesh appearance anyway. So I did have a tank top on underneath this. So you probably are going to want to wear something under it, even if it's just a flesh colored bra. I would wear something under it. But I really like this a lot. This is really stretchy. This is a size small, and this is $69. So I really enjoyed this, for sure, keeping that one. The next items I tried on were this Evereve Billie. It's called the Billie coat, I believe. The Billie leather bomber. Now it's not real leather, but it's in the color Dove, a size small, and this retails for $168. This does have like a silver hardware on it, zipper, and zippers on each of the pockets. It does have short sleeves, so this makes it perfect for coming into spring. It also has like a gathered bottom, elastic bottom. So it is a cropped, I call it cropped, yeah. And really cute. I have a couple others that I had gotten from them in previous, like last fall or something, that have kind of the short sleeves like that also, which I really like. And then we have the Z Supply outfit here. And this top is called the Casey Zinn Floral Tank in chocolate cherry, extra small for $72. And then the skirt is the Victoria Zinn Floral Maxi Skirt, chocolate cherry, extra small for $110. Now the tank top, really super light, flowy. I think this could be really easy to wear. Has a nice flowy bottom. The top is adjustable, so you can adjust like a bra, basically. And I really like this. It's really cute. I would call it semi-cropped, so I didn't, you can't see your belly or nothing like when you're wearing it with a skirt, but it's shorter. So it has like the coloring is that chocolate cherry, and then it's kind of like I would call it like a dusty blue. I wouldn't call it teal. I would call it kind of a dusty blue that's in that, and then the ivory. And then the skirt is a maxi skirt, long and flowy. Has a, I don't know what material this is, but it's really light. Maybe crepe. No pockets in this, unfortunately. It is lined, fully lined all the way down. And it does have a zip and hook closure. Lots of stretch in the waistband. So I would think this being an extra small, I would say this extra small could easily fit size 0 through 4. So if, you're wondering if you should size up or down, I wouldn't be afraid to size down if you're in between sizes. But that's really cute. I like that a lot too. That's a consideration for sure. So, well, that was my Trendsend box. They also sent a couple necklaces, which I never keep the necklaces just because, I don't know, they're always so pricey, I think. I would rather just get stuff off of Amazon, to be honest. But one of them, I'll show them to you anyway. It's kind of a yellow beaded necklace. So, nothing crazy, but it's cute. And then the other is a gold bead necklace. So yeah, they're both really cute. I just, for the price of them, the gold bead is $58 and the yellow is $46. And I think we can do better. But anyway, so they also sent those. But anyway, thank you guys so much for being here for this unboxing, for this try on. Let me know what you think. I'd like to hear some comments and hear your feedback. If you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you back next time. Stay beautiful, guys. Bye-bye.